Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Website flipping and domain investing. Website flipping and domain investing are two distinct activities related to online assets. Let's explore each one in more detail. Website flipping. Website flipping refers to the process of buying, improving, and selling websites for a profit. It involves acquiring an existing website, making necessary enhancements to increase its value, and then selling it to a new owner. Here are the key steps involved in website flipping. At research and acquisition. Look for websites with potential that are undervalued, undermonetized, or have room for improvement. Various online marketplaces and forums specialize in buying and selling websites, such as Flippa.com. Identify your niche. Determine the niche or industry you want to focus on. It could be anything from e-commerce to content-based websites, technology, health, finance, or a specific hobby. Having a niche in mind will help you narrow down your search and gain expertise in that area. Set your budget. Determine how much you're willing to invest in website acquisition. This will help you filter out websites that are outside of your budget range and focus on the ones that align with your financial resources. Find reputable marketplaces. Look for reputable website marketplaces where you can find websites for sale. Some popular platforms for buying and selling websites include Flippa, Empire Flippers, FE International, and Website Broker. These platforms provide a wide range of websites at various price points. Set criteria for website evaluation. Establish a set of criteria to evaluate potential websites. Consider factors such as website traffic, revenue, niche competitiveness, content quality, search engine rankings, backlink profile, social media presence, and growth potential. These criteria will help you identify undervalued websites with potential for improvement. Conduct due diligence. Once you identify a website that meets your criteria, perform thorough due diligence. Request access to website analytics, revenue reports, and other relevant data from the seller. Analyze the information to verify the website's legitimacy and assess its potential for improvement. B. Evaluation. Assess the website's traffic, revenue, search engine rankings, content quality, design, and overall potential. This evaluation helps determine if the website is worth investing in and how much you should pay for it. Traffic. Analyze the website's traffic metrics to understand its audience reach and engagement. Look for consistent traffic patterns, organic search traffic, referral sources, and user demographics. Tools like Google Analytics can provide valuable insights in this regard. Revenue and monetization. Evaluate the website's revenue generation methods and their effectiveness. Assess the diversity and stability of income streams, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, product sales, subscriptions, or sponsored content. Examine the historical revenue data, growth trends, and potential for further monetization. SEO and rankings. Evaluate the website's search engine optimization, SEO, efforts and search engine rankings. Check if the website is optimized for relevant keywords, has a strong backlink profile, and ranks well for targeted search terms. This analysis helps determine the website's organic visibility and potential for increased traffic. Content quality. Assess the quality, relevance, and uniqueness of the website's content. High-quality, original, and engaging content can attract and retain visitors. Evaluate the website's content strategy, consistency, and potential for improvement. C. Enhancement. After acquiring the website, you can make improvements such as optimizing its design, enhancing content, improving SEO, increasing traffic, and monetizing it more effectively. These enhancements aim to boost the website's value and profitability. Technical aspects. Evaluate the website's technical aspects, such as page load speed, server performance, security measures, and mobile compatibility. A well-optimized and secure website enhances user experience and search engine rankings. Social media and engagement. Examine the website's social media presence and engagement metrics. Look at the number of followers, engagement levels, and the effectiveness of social media marketing efforts. This evaluation provides insights into the website's brand reach and potential for audience engagement. Backlink profile. Assess the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to the website. Analyze the diversity of referring domains, anchor text distribution, and the authority of the linking websites. A strong and diverse backlink profile indicates the website's authority and potential for improved search engine rankings. Growth potential. Consider the untapped potential for growth and improvement. Look for opportunities to expand the website's content, target new keywords, enter new markets, or explore additional revenue streams. Assess the scalability of the website and its potential for future development. Selling. Once the website has been improved, you can list it for sale on relevant platforms. Presenting accurate data and highlighting the website's potential can attract potential buyers. The selling price will depend on factors such as revenue, traffic, niche, and market demand. Determine the sale price. Set a realistic and competitive sale price for your website. Consider factors such as the website's revenue, traffic, growth potential, niche demand, market trends, and industry benchmarks. Research comparable websites that have recently sold to get an idea of market value. Prepare documentation. Compile all relevant documentation and data that potential buyers may require. This typically includes financial statements, traffic analytics, revenue reports, proof of income, expense breakdowns, and any other pertinent information about the website's performance and potential. Create an attractive listing. Craft a compelling listing that highlights the website's strengths, potential, and unique selling points. Provide accurate and detailed information about the website's niche, content, monetization methods, traffic sources, SEO efforts, and growth opportunities. Use high-quality images and screenshots to showcase the website's design and features. Choose the right sales platform. Select the most appropriate platform to list your website for sale. Popular options include dedicated website marketplaces like Flippa, Empire Flippers, FE International, or Website Broker. Research the platform's fees, reputation, user base, and success rate to ensure it aligns with your needs. Domain investing. Domain investing involves purchasing domain names with the intention of selling them later at a higher price. Here are the primary aspects of domain investing. Research and acquisition. Identify domain names that have potential value. Look for short, memorable, brandable, and keyword-rich domain names. Consider market trends, emerging industries, and potential buyer demand. Define your strategy. Determine your domain investing strategy based on your goals, budget, and market knowledge. Decide whether you want to focus on specific niches, keywords, brandable domains, expired domains, or other criteria. Having a clear strategy will help you streamline your research and acquisition efforts. Conduct domain research. Use domain research tools and resources to identify potential domain names. Look for short, memorable, brandable, and keyword-rich domains. Consider market trends, emerging industries, and potential buyer demand. Explore domain marketplaces, auction platforms, and expiring domain lists to discover available domains. Evaluate domain value. Assess the value of domain names based on various factors. Consider the domain's length, keyword relevance, brandability, extension, search volume, commercial viability, and potential resale value. Utilize domain appraisal services, market analysis, and consult with experienced domain investors to determine value. Check domain availability. Verify the availability of the domain names you are interested in. Use domain registration platforms to search for domain availability. Keep in mind that some domains may be listed for sale, but not actively registered. Research if there are any trademarks or legal issues associated with the domain name. Verify domain history. Conduct due diligence on the domain's history. Check its past ownership, historical usage, and potential SEO or backlink profile. Tools like archive.org can help you access historical snapshots of the domain's website content. This information can provide insights into the domain's reputation and potential value. Registration and holding. Register the chosen domain names through domain registrars. Some investors also acquire expired or auction domain names for potential value. Hold the domains until the right buyer or opportunity arises. Evaluation. Assess the value of domain names based on factors like keyword relevance, brandability, market demand, length, extension, and search engine optimization potential. Tools like domain appraisal services and market analysis can assist in determining value. Selling. To sell domains, you can list them on domain marketplaces, forums, or engage in private negotiations. Pricing strategy, effective marketing, and highlighting the domain's unique selling points can increase the chances of a successful sale. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.